Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the CSV file and we are going to learn how to read from the CSV file and how to search through the CSV file. And we will use programming languages to search in the CSV file, and today we are going to use three different programming languages, and they are C++, Python and Bash shell script file. Now we're gonna see at our CSV file here, and as we can see the CSV file is pretty huge, and there is around 10,000 or 11,000 data here, and we can search this CSV file by using year and city and cause name of death and death rate and deaths. So now first we're gonna jump into the C++ to execute what we are intended to do, and this is our C code here, and this is our full code. As we can see, we use ifstream to read data from the CSV file, and we also use the check to check if the file is open or not. And then that's it. And now we're gonna jump into our build. Now we're gonna jump into our execution, and we will build and run the program. And here is telling us to press 1 to search by year, press 2 to search by cause name, and press 3 to search by state. Today now I want to search by year, so I'm gonna press 1 and enter the, let's take the year 2016 and press enter, and it has generated the data for the year 2016, and this is it. And now we're gonna search it by state name, so we're gonna press 3, and let's take the state is Colorado, and this is it. And it has given us the data for the state Colorado, and this is it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm SHAHREEN SULTANA. You guys have already seen the C++ language implementation, and now I'm going to execute the Python language implementation and then the shell scripting. In Python, you can see that we have defined different methods to search by different variables, and only Python has the capability to go through the CSV file by column and rows around these three languages. And now to read the CSV file, we have used the reader method. Here you can see that, and to open the CSV file we used open, so we need to open first, so we used open, and we have defined some choices here 1 to 5, and you can see for 1 we will search for year, and 2 for cause names and states and dates and death rates. Now we will run this program. Suppose we want to go for the deaths, so we will choose 4, and then suppose 243 death rates, and then you can see all the data are here. And then if you want to find another one like death rate, you can go through this. Okay, now we have to choose 1 for a death rate. We have to choose 5. We will choose 5, and then suppose 55.5, and then we can see all the records are here. And now we will see the shell script. It is the fastest language among these three languages, and we will close this, go to the shell script. This is my shell script. language implementation, and you can see we have also defined some methods here. And if we run this, we go for the file, and suppose we want to choose here to compare between the C++ and this shell script, suppose 2016, and then this is the fastest one, and if you can see that all the datas are here separated by commas. And now if we want to run again for suppose stats, yes, for state we need to choose 3. Suppose we will go for Colorado, and now we can see that the first is among these 3 languages. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new from this, and thank you. Take care. Bye bye.